Hello viewers, this is Deeksha DV 1CR 19CS 039. This is our MadLab project Blood Bank, where first my teammate Devdathan Menon will be explaining about the design of the application. Later, I will be explaining about the working and the demonstration of the application.
Hi guys, this is Devdathan Menon and my USN is 1CR19CS043. Deeksha and I have built this blood bank application in which you can donate blood and also request from blood donors. And as you can see, this is the first page where when the user clicks on the application, this is what is displayed. Next, we have the activity page where there are several sections like home, profile, achievements, find blood donor, or we can find the nearest location for a blood donor. On the next page, we have the activity login page where the user can enter their email and password and sign into the application. Or if the user hasn't created an account before, they can create an account by pressing on the create an account button, and they can create a new email ID and password and log into the application. Next, we have the activity page where we can request for blood. So we enter the contact, the location, and the blood group that is required. And here we use the spinner function in which provides a quick way to select one value from a set. In this page we show the several eligibility requirements if you are a male or a female, and the page where it gives you information on why you should donate blood. This page is the content dashboard page where you can post several contents on the application and it will be listed on this page. The next page is the navigation header dashboard. In this page, we can find all the several requested items. For example, the blood group the blood that we need. So you can enter these are the several requested donors. And on this page, you can search for a donor where you can enter, where their name, all the different credentials are given, such as name, address, and the total number of times they have donated. On the next page is the activity page where it shows the number of times you have donated and when the details of when you have donated it. Now my teammate Deeksha will be explaining the code of the project.
Now I will be explaining about the working of this app. As you can see, this is the splash page which will be displayed as soon as the app opens. We will be directed to a sign in page where we'll have to enter our mail ID and password for signing in. If we don't already have an account, we have to register by clicking on create an account. We will be directed to the registration page where we'll have to register by giving our basic details. This is for making an account for the app. So we will give our basic details like name, and then out of the available blood groups, we'll have to choose a blood group. We'll give the contact number details, the address, the contact number will be given. Address can be any sample address. I will just give as sample address for now. Division. Out of the given divisions, we'll have to choose a division as to where our blood belongs to. Next, we'll have to give the mail ID and the password, and like any other app, we have to confirm the password. There is an option called mark this to be a donor. If that option is checked, our account will be created as a donor account, or else it will be just created as a normal account. When we click on register, we have an error because it says that we have not entered a valid contact number. That is because I had entered a contact number with 9 digits. Now we will give a valid contact number and click on register. It says that we are successfully registered and our account has been created. Here we can see the number of recipients who have requested for blood. This is the blood point page, the home page, where we can see all the requests. If we have to create a blood post request, I clicked on the plus symbol there, and for creating a request we'll have to give our basic details like our contact number and the location. We have to choose a blood group and the division and click on post for posting our request. It says that our post has been successfully created, and like we saw before, all these are the recipients who have posted their blood request, and we will get to see our request too, which is here. We have posted the request. Next, we'll go to the home page. We are in the dashboard and we can click the achievements page, where this will help to keep a track of the number of donations. We have to click on yes for have you already donated because we just did a donation. When we do so, we will be directed to the home page, and when we go back and check, the total number of donations has been incremented to 1 and the last donated date has also been updated. To find a blood donor, we'll have to go to the find the blood donor place and give the specifications and click on search. When we do so, based on our specifications, the results are displayed. Next, we'll come back to the dashboard and go to the nearest hospitals. We have incorporated Google Apps API in our app so that it will be easier for locating the nearest hospitals and the blood banks, which will also make our app look complete and also helpful for people to find out easily. Next, we'll come back to the dashboard and go to the blood info page, where this page will create awareness as to why the blood has to be donated and also talks about the eligibility requirements for males and females. This is a demo project done by Diksha Devi and Devdatan Menon. We'll go back to the dashboard and click on log out when we have to log out. So we are successfully logged out, and if we want to sign in back and check the details, we can do so. Thank you.